What's up everyone? Welcome Squad Squad and welcome to Slav Guns. Life is often about having things that are either good enough or simply wicked cool. In my last few precision rifle videos, I had something that was totally awesome and totally wicked cool. This ammo storage solution from Inflection Design and Engineering. I first learned of this ammo solution watching West Desert Shooter here on YouTube, and I reached out to the company asking them about this box, and they totally made my day by sending me this ammo box personalized for me with Slav Guns. Awesome, right? The company was formed by long-range shooters who are now making these bullet boxes along with magazines. The bullet boxes are available either as a complete system, complete with the divider, the foam pads, and the SKB case, or individually with just the divider and the foam inserts, which you would put in your own case. These are available in various sizes from 50 rounds all the way up to 200 round systems, and are available for various caliber options. Everything from 223 all the way up to 50 BMG. So why should you consider investing in one of these ammo storage solutions? Simply put, it's probably the most secure, waterproof, and crush-proof home for your ammo. The added benefit with these cases is that you don't have any of that rattle that you ordinarily do with your regular blue reloaded ammo cases. One other thing you'll not need to worry about is that while you're driving around and those blue cases, they'll simply come loose and your ammo goes flying around everywhere once you go over a bump. Some lids are better than others, but it still happens. With this ammo storage solution, once it's locked, it's really locked. And while 95% of the owners don't need it, this would be the only way I would consider flying with ammo, with hand-loaded ammo, if I'm going to a match or somewhere important. The only downside here is the cost. This 50-round bullet box retails for $70 and $79.99 if you want custom etching. The majority of the cost, however, is actually the SKB case, which is around $40 by itself, not including the sticker. That's totally me. So if you want to save yourself some money, you can also buy the deluxe foam kit, which is, once again, it's going to have the divider and the foam pads underneath, and you can buy that kit for just 32 bucks, and then you would add it to your existing case, or run out to Harbor Freight and you can buy the knockoff Harbor Freight version of the Pelican or the SKB cases with a coupon for right around 10 bucks. So what that means is for right around $45 with tax and everything, you're going to have an awesome storage solution. Bottom line, if you're a hand loader who needs to protect for ammo, or you're looking for an awesome gift for that gun guy or girl who already has everything, this is going to be an awesome way to make their day, and this is going to be a great gift idea, especially if you have it personalized. You can find both the complete bullet boxes and the foam kits at inflectionde.com. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you, Inflection Design, for making my day with this awesome storage solution, and I'll see you next time. Okay. All right, that actually wasn't bad, and my knees aren't killing me, and that's pretty cool. All right.